Morning, good morning, we're live.
My bank account is always growing. A successful, profitable trader.
Good morning. It's a great day, it's a great week, the 14th of
I love
October.
trading, and trading loves me.
We're live. I love trading and trading loves me. Powerful. I love trading and trading loves me. We're live again this morning. It's another pre London market analysis with ProFx. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Share to friends, share to enemies. We're live. Okay. You're live, you're live, you're live, you're live again. It's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great week. Good morning. Last week was amazing. This week promises to be much more amazing. Last week was amazing. This week promises to be much more amazing. Every day, in every way, we get better and better. Every day, in every way, we get better and better. Every day, in every way, we get better and better. Every day, in every way, we get better and better. Good morning, Daniel. So, as our custom is, I'm going to play our trading affirmation for the next 2 3 minutes so others join, right? And the affirmation, like I always say, is not just to give us goosebumps or just to give us ginger. No. In the affirmations include instructions, right? In the affirmations include the right mindset of a trader, includes how to be disciplined. So it depends on how we see it. So we will say affirmations to just be maybe like inspiration, motivation, blah blah blah. No. The way I say affirmations, right? I see them as instructions. Okay, I see them as giving me the right mindset, right? Okay, so they inspire me. Of course, the first level is inspiration. Let's not deceive ourselves, right? Before you can say I want to be disciplined, there has to be a level of information that gives you inspiration. So let me break this down for us. We hear people say it's not about motivation, inspiration, it's about being disciplined, action. No doubt, that's correct. But before you take that action, okay, before you become disciplined, there has to be an information you have heard, okay, that now makes you take action and become disciplined. That information that you hear is what gives the inspiration and the motivation. So one way, there is still there's still a motivational, inspirational inputs. It's now you that will choose not to stay at inspiration and motivation level, but you must be motivated, you must be inspired. That's the first phase. So after inspiration, motivation, what next? I take action. That's where people miss it. People just listen to affirmations, they just say, I am best, I am good, I am successful, and they don't take action. That's not what we do here. We get inspired so we can be in the zone to even take action more. That's by the way. Right. So I'm gonna play the affirmation, and when I play it, I want you to pay attention to the details, to the words, because those words are what we run with as a trader. Those words are what we run with as a trader. Those words are what we run with as a trader. So confirm if you can hear the background affirmation. I believe you can hear me, right? I believe you can hear me. Let's go.
I am a profitable and successful trader. I fully believe in my trading strategy and I follow it to the letter. I allow myself to take trading profits whenever I can. I am a smart and highly disciplined trader. That's why I'm so profitable. Each and every day, I practice the mindset of a profitable trader. I always use stop losses to protect my money. I am relaxed and calm when making trades, and that's why I am so successful and profitable as a trader. Stay calm and relaxed before, during, and after placing my trades. I have an abundance mindset and I act accordingly, and therefore am a profitable trader. I observe and listen to the markets and let them tell me when to enter and exit trades. I am always learning, growing, and expanding my skills as a trader. I always make sure to take care of my mind, my body, and spirit so that I can be a successful and profitable trader. I am excited each and every trading day because it's another opportunity to make profit. Any failures or mistakes that I make when trading are just opportunities to learn, grow, and become more profitable in the end. I am committed to the long game of trading, and that's why I am so successful and profitable as a trader. Trading profitably is easy for me to do.
Let's stop there. Trading profitably is easy for me to do. Trading consistently profitably is easy for me to do. Trading consistently profitable or consistently profitably, trading consistently profitably is easy for me to do. Is easy for me to do. I don't care what people say. I don't care what the statistics of the losing traders. For me, trading consistently profitably is easy for me to do. This is my belief. This is my belief that I'm a consistently profitable trader. Everybody. Trading consistently profitably is easy for me to do. That's my belief. That's my mindset. I am a consistently profitable trader, regardless of the statistics of what the winning to losing trader is. They say is only 1% that win in the forex market. I am in the 1%. That's why our 100 days is the goal is becoming a 1% trader. We are in that 1%. Even if it's 0.05%, now there we dey. You understand? Those that are there does not have two heads. Trading consistently profitably is easy for me to do. And I hope we know that what we believe to be true will be true for us. What we believe is the truth will be true for us. So the question is, what is your belief? That's just it. As a trader, as a forex trader or in trading industry, what do you believe trading is, or what do you believe trading will be for you? Is what will become for you. If you are going about saying, it's hard, it's hard, trading is hard, it will be hard. If you are saying it is easy, even if now it is still like complicated, it's still complex, what are you believing? What are you accepting to be true for you? Write it in the chat box. What are you believing or accepting to be true for you in forex trading? True for you, because I always say this before you even learn the skill. That's why my own forex trading academy is different. It's not in this world. Of course, you get the skill, no doubt. I will teach you well, but I understand the principle of success. That is a be, do, have, share formula. Let me start with that this morning. Very important. This is the formula for success in anything. Then also in trading, it's a be, do, have, share formula. Everybody, be, do, have, share. Be, do, have, share. So what we all, the common thing with most average person is they want to do. The do is the skills and the tools. That's the do. Learn the skills, get the tools, to learn, which is not bad. The skill set is very important. But before the skill set, there is a foundation that must be laid, which is the becoming. That's the mindset and the habits. That's where you miss it. It's psychology. So before you start learning any skill at all, you must have the right mindset. You must have the right habit. Because when you start learning the skill set, at the point in your skill set, you will be frustrated. You won't get it. You have roadblocks. You have so many things. You might even have losses in business. So many things will happen when you are learning the skill sets, when you are doing the whole. But because you have built the right mindset and the right habits, you are able to scale through. So becoming is what? Mindset and habits. Why doing is the skill set and the tool sets. Then the having is the results. So most traders want to have the results and they go and learn the skill, which is not bad. But they don't have the mindsets of a trader. They don't have the habit of a trader. They will get stuck along the way. So once you have become with your mind and your habits, learning the skill set now becomes very easy and the tool set. Then result is automatic. You will have the results. Once you have the results, share. That's why I am passionate about sharing knowledge. I don't feel like sharing. I don't feel I don't feel like sharing. I don't feel like it. But I understand the principle. The more I share, the more I get more. So the more I give, the more I receive. So sharing is part of the formula. So once you have gotten the results, and again, there is two types of results. There's result when it comes to financial. That means you are seeing the money, the cars, the banks is growing. That's one result. Second result is understanding. So you don't have to pay attention. You don't have to have financial results before you share. That's where most people miss it. You don't need to have the financial results before you share. Once you have understanding, that means you have been learning a particular thing and you now know that, oh, I understand this thing well enough to explain it. That's the point to start sharing, because some people just need that little understanding you have. Sincerely, some persons don't need you to make the money before you start sharing to them. I can tell you for a free. When I started in the forex industry, any small thing I know, like any small thing I know, I will share. Once I understand it, I start applying it, I start sharing it. And they are very happy. They are getting results from even their own. So I'm telling you guys now that you don't need to have it's good to have financial results that will come. But once you have learned a particular thing, you now understand it, start sharing. Am I making sense? Guys, am I making sense? Am I communicating? We're going to our chat now. Once it's 7:20, we're going to our chat. I need to lay some foundations and make some announcements. Once it's 7:20. Am I making sense? Talk to me, talk to me. By the way, I want you to always introduce yourself and where you're joining from. Everyone, I want to know if I'm having new individuals. Okay, Mr. Albert is here, irregular. Just introduce yourself. Every morning we will do this. Your name and where you're joining from. Okay, every morning we will do this. We will do this every morning. Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. Gabriel, I see you. Yeah. Very soon now you start seeing. My name is Michael from Canada. My name is Jibril from Dubai. Yeah, Albert from Lagos. Yeah. So I'm speaking to the future. Very soon you start seeing. My name is Gabriel from which country go fit like this now? Gabriel, where don't you be joining from next year? Is it Dubai or yeah? So 7:20 we go into the chat. 2 more minutes. Abraham from Nigeria for now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, Canada next year. No wahala, no wahala, no wahala. You have what you say. You have what you say. You can just go and spend like 2 weeks from Canada, then you're now joining us from there in this money. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. No, it's gonna happen. Yeah. So okay, great. So I'm gonna start this morning last week to see how I go to Nigeria and spend the hard currency. Now, I'm sure I go do. So I'm gonna go to I sent you USD last week, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and pullback. So I'm going to go in through our currency pairs and see how last week played out. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. So that because we need to understand that, like I said, we don't have to trade every day. In fact, we can just choose to say, let me just say on Monday we go and wait for Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. You just need 2 trades or 3 trades in a week to kill it. When I mean kill it, you can still be doing other trades by the side, but the ones that will kill it, you just need 2 to 3 trades in a week. All right. Then during the weekend, I got a new rev that I'll share with you guys. It's called CSM. Let me confirm. Uh, CSM. Yes, CSM. And what CSM means is clean structure moves. This is very important. Now, your business is to patiently wait for clean structure moves. The one that will look like a textbook example. That means the way it is in your textbook when you say low, high, higher low, higher high, break of structure, wait for pullback, enter, buy. Those are the moves that you are waiting for as your A setup. So we call it clean structure moves. That means it will be very clear that this one go buy, this one go sell. There is no, even a 5-year-old can say, daddy, this is a buy market now. Those are the kind of setups you want to be seeing. At least if you see 2 in a week, you are okay. You go milk and well because we need to be very intentional about our trading. I was just reminiscing about this thing really because I like this thing should be hard. You should not suppose hard like that. Because the market gives us clean structure moves. Well, if you are patient, you will see it. I sent us a video on Fibonacci swing trading. How many of us have watched it? How many of us have watched the Fibonacci swing trading? I say we should watch at least 2 times. How many of us have watched the Fibonacci swing trading? Come and see clean structure moves. It will be as if you're not even trading at all. But you have to be patient to wait for those moves to form. Do you understand? And they happen on higher time frame. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Albert. He made Ara is one of my mentors, online mentors. I've downloaded all his videos on my YouTube, all everything from 2 years ago till present. Every of his videos are that on my YouTube. So I use him as I call it my Netflix. I use him as Netflix. I only do Netflix movies real just once, but my Netflix is Ara most times. Very simplified. So you can see all this my knowledge are coming from somewhere. I have sources where they're coming from. Very simplified. Fibonacci, very simplified. So they are what we call clean structure moves. So your job is to patiently wait for those moves. You don't need to trade much. I don't know how I can overemphasize this. So guys, if you want to really make money, our job is to make money, right? To be consistently profitable, right? So in a week, let me go to my charts. Last week USD, if you have waited for the clean structure moves, you would have made clean money on any pair. That's the beauty of the setup we trade with. Any pair works. So let me share my screen. It's as simple as that too. So everybody type on the chat box, type clean structure moves. Clean structure moves. Everybody, I want to say that on the chat box. Clean structure moves. Clean structure moves. Before I go on to the chart. Clean structure moves. That's what I want to see. I want to see clean structure. If it's not clean, if it's not clear, I'm not interested. As a beginner, that's the way to train your mindset first. Go for clean structure moves before you're not going to the complicated moves. No, if it's not clean, if it's not clear, I'm not interested. Yes. So let's go to my charts. You can see this is Euro USD last week. Okay, so Monday, this is Monday. So Monday, you might not know, you might not have an idea of what's going to happen for the week, but by Tuesday into Wednesday, you are, I don't know, I don't think it was certain, but you have a high chance of knowing what the week will do. So Tuesday into Wednesday into Thursday was our distribution phase, right? And it was so clear. Okay, so let me take off this again and let's just do. It was so clear, guys, so clear. It was so clear. Now, Monday has done. Let's assume we don't know what's going to happen on Monday, but by the end of Monday, we saw that this is the way Monday. That's the way Monday closed. I'm going to mark. You mark the high and the low of Monday, like the range. Okay. You call it. I call it box price. Okay. You will box the price. Box the price. Box the price for Monday. Box the price for Monday. All right. So you can know what the next move will be. So what happened when Tuesday happened? We took out the eye of Monday, right? As if we want to start buying, because when we take out eyes, it means buyers are in the market. So, but that eye came back towards breakdown. That means that eye was the manipulation. So Monday became what? The accumulation. Just this, right? So Monday was the accumulation. You can see inside here. Then into Tuesday, we broke out from the eye, but during the London and New York, we saw a drop. So assuming maybe Tuesday, you're not even sure. But when you see this kind of thing Monday and Tuesday, you know that okay, definitely Wednesday is going to be what? Bearish. And that's what happened. So your job is just to look for what? A pullback into Fibonacci and continue selling. And of course, Thursday too, what do? A pullback. So let's look at, just do Fibonacci. Fibonacci is the simplest way I can explain break of structure for a continuation. So when you see a break of structure, what do? Draw out your fib from the high towards the low. So in this case now, it was the 50% that was used in Thursday. So that depends on you. As Ara will say, your fib level depends on you. Your fib level depends on you. I won't tell you to use 71, 50, 79, blah, blah, blah. What has worked in your back testing will determine what you are going to be using. So for me, I can use 50, I can use 71, I can use 79. I'm flexible. That's my personal trading style. I'm not rigid, I'm flexible. So if you are a 71% guy, you will have missed Thursday trade. Very, 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 you go miss am. You go miss am. But if you are a 50% and also 71% guy, you will have been in this trade. Okay, you'll have been in this trade. So it depends on your what? Your trading style. I advise to be flexible. Okay, I advise you to be what? Flexible. You can see, regardless of the spike, this was CPI spike. Oh, and we explained this trade before CPI that this Asian eye might be taken out to the supply. If you can remember, okay, that we said on this particular day, this is our Asian high and Asian low, right? And we said that um, most likely the Asian high will be used as liquidity, and that's exactly what happened into the supply. Exactly what happened, right? It's not magic, it's skill. It's not magic. So that's what exactly happened on Thursday. Asian high was taken into supply, and we sold. Regardless the spike, the wuru that happened, because this was a crazy spike on CPI, but it still respected market structure. So, as wiser traders, we are not scared of the news. We look forward to the news because we have a structural edge. We just stick to structure. We look forward to name the news: CPI, PPI, NFP, FOMC. They are not our concern. Structure prevails, which is the movement of the market. And on Friday too, we have Asian high, Asian low, and we expect what? Asian low to take into this demand, and we buy. And that's exactly what happened. It's not magic, it's skill. You can see very clear, very clear. So all these concepts are what we combine together to make an informed decision. Like I always say, your trading concepts combined together is what will give you your trading strategy. Once you have learned market structure, you have learned supply and demand, you have learned Asian range, all those. The combination of those structures will make you now have a strategy. Do you understand? So for you not to get confused, the first level for you is understand the concept individually. Market structure, understand it as an individual. Demand, understand it. Supply, understand it. Asian range, understand it. The previous candle, understand it. Once you have understand it individually, you now combine them together to make an informed decision. Do you understand? So this is what happened on Friday, right? So you can see I said on Friday that this guy was just manipulation. He just came out to manipulate this guy and he came back, okay, into the demand zone and it bought. Then what? Pull back for the day. So look at what happened. Let's define Friday. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback. So it's as simple as that. The same thing happens, right? So whilst we have known, so are we clear from last week, EUSD? Is it clear now? Look at on Thursday. On Thursday, to look at what Thursday did. This is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and what? Pullback. Do you understand? That's Thursday. Asian accumulated. Okay, New York, the CPI news manipulated it to the high, then now distributed it downwards. End of day, what do we now have? We have a pullback to rest the day, right? So is USD clear? So I go on to today. What we're expecting today on USD. Is USD clear? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, pullback, intraday and intra week, intraday and intra-week, accumulation, manipulation. Is it clear? By the way, the course outline for the mentorship is out. It's going to be massive. The course outline. This new batch is one of the best batch we are going to ever have because I prepared. It's a new outline I prepared, and the first I've not used outline before. Right. So it's just an urge for you that if you have not yet joined this batch, please go and borrow money and go and join. Go and borrow money. Borrow money and join. I'll announce details at the end of the class call. So let's go on to what we have today for USD. So what are we expecting today? This my demand zone is still valid. Okay. This demand zone below is still valid. This one here is still valid. So we might see a manipulation below Asian low. All right. We might see a what? Manipulation below Asian low because we want to buy. Because we want to buy. So this one has been mitigated. So we take it off. We take it off. This demand zone has been what? Has been used. So we take it off. The next demand zone to be used is this my guy, this fine boy here. This fine boy has not been used. Okay? That's the next demand zone we are expecting to be mitigated. Okay. So yeah, good. So for me to see a buy, right? Accumulation has happened already for Asian section. So the next question is, will Asian high be manipulated into demand and distribute? Okay, that's the next question we want to know. Once it does that, we are distributing to the upside. Once it does this, we are what? Distributing to the upside. That's what we're expecting according to our structure. So let me just screenshot this for the records. You first heard it on ProFx radio. If you want to have a buy today, we want to see Asian low manipulated into this demand as area of value to what? To buy. Then we pull back. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's go to other currency pairs. Let's go to GBP USD. Let me send this to the group first. Uh, So let's go to GBP USD. And let's look at how we had the intra-week for last week. GBP USD for last week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. How did we? How that's how to back test, guys. That's how to back test. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What I'll just do is I'm gonna put out my vertical lines. I'm gonna put out my vertical lines for the beginning of each day. Monday. Um, where is Monday? Monday is that was 7th. Let's study price action, guys. Let's study price action. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right? It's a very volatile major currency. So it moves faster than Euro USD, right? It moves faster than Euro USD. It moves faster than Euro USD. So I don't really, I don't like GBP USD. I don't trade GBP USD. I prefer Euro USD because Euro USD is more cleaner. It's more clean. So look at what happened for GBP USD. Um, I must say this guy just confuse us. But this my demand here is from 4 hours. This big blue line you are seeing is a higher time frame location. Okay, look at here. It's a higher time frame location. So we are already seated in the higher low from higher time frame. So throughout last week, we are just sitting on the location for higher time frame. I'm not sharing my screen again. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. My screen. Yeah, yeah, I get it. I'm sure I'll share now. I'm still trying to understand why this guy just take me off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you see my screen now? Yeah. It's clear now, right? You can see the screen now. Yeah. So Euro USD, GP USD. This is the higher time frame. You can see if this guy buy or more, this is swing trade. Though. A swing trade, we go hold on till you get to this higher height, to this high. This is the projection for GBUSD. Once this guy takes up from this buy, Mona Hopu. But what you can just do is you can be taking your profit from um previous high as it's going up. So you will not just leave it to run. But once this guy barrel like this is a swing trade. All right. So that's by the way. So throughout last week, we have the idea that okay, this guy is already on the location of higher time frame, which is higher low. So we don't expect too much sales. All these sell has happened already. Look at all these sell has happened for the past 2 weeks, coming down. So when we are already close to a demand zone, we don't expect more sales again. Okay, but let's see what price action delivered last week on GBP USD from Monday. It's not clear on it's not clear like Euro USD. It's not clear like Euro USD. So this is higher low, lower high, lower low, right? Let's start with direction first before we go into our accumulation manipulation and distribution. Okay, let's first mark our lower high, lower low, lower high, and what? Lower low. Okay, so that means everything inside there is what? The range. And this is our Fibonacci from swing low, from swing high to swing low is the Fibonacci, right? So you can see that it respected the 50% and what? And dropped for Monday. Okay, so there was no really accumulation. So Monday, okay, Monday just gave us, let's just say Monday's accumulation phase. Right? But there's no manipulation. It didn't give us manipulation for GU. What does it mean to manipulate? It means that if I see a sell, I want to see higher high first. That's manipulation, then distribution. But in this case, for GBUSD, there was no manipulation. It was just distributing. Do you understand? From Monday, there was no okay. We saw yeah, there's a manipulation. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. Look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. This internal structure, okay? Look at this structure, internal structure, all right? Then we add what? Higher highs. Do you see that? Then when we entered here, then we started coming down again. So that's the manipulation. So the manipulation happened here. So it's as if we want to start buying here, but it came during Tuesday, just like for EUSD, and started selling. So the manipulation happened in the internal structure here. In the mentorship, we explain more. I'm not here to teach. You understand? So this is the liquidity that happened. All right, that's the liquidity that happened. Okay. So it took out the eye as if you want to start buying, but it came to start what? Selling. That's the manipulation and distribution. All right. So that's that on that. So let's get into what we have today. So same thing we have today. We are going to map our Asian high, Asian low. So let me take off this big guy. So it won't really give us confusion. So high and what's low for GBP high and low. The same idea applies. Let's take off this guy. Because we want to be bullish, we expect to see what Asian low taking. This is a demand that is resting below our demand. You can see the same thing for USD. This is a drop. Let me delete it again. A drop based rally. Look at this carefully. How do you know a demand zone? A drop based rally for swing demand. This is drop. This is base. This is rally. So all this guy here is going to be our demand, our base. That's for 15 minutes. So we extend towards to the future. On 5 minutes, you can get a precise, a refined demand zone on 5 minutes. Okay? On 5 minutes, you see a refined demand zone. Let's see. 5 minutes. Good. Perfect. Perfect. I love this. You can see what you saw on 15 minutes. You can see it in a more smaller version on 5 minutes, which is what? Drop, base, rally. So we're going to refine it again to this base. Do we see what I just did? From 15 minutes to 5 minutes, the same candlestick pattern. Drop, base, rally. If it is not clear, it is not there. It has to be clear. It has to be what? To be clear. It has to be what? To be clear. Did we see it clearly? Did we see the 15 minutes drop base rally and the 5 minutes drop base rally? That's a demand zone. So we are going to explain more in the mentorship how to spot a demand zone, how to spot a supply zone, swing demand, rally base rally, drop base drop, those kind of things. All right, you go into full details in the mentorship. Did we see that the demand zone on 15 minutes and how I brought it to 5 minutes? Did we see that? I need responses, please. Okay, good. And it's clear. Yeah, and it's clear. So that's what you just need to look. And every chart you come into, just ask yourself. So demand zone, supply zone, good. It's nothing. So what do we expect now? The same thing for Euro USD. We expect what now we have gotten a breakout to the upside, right? Now Asian range is trending, very clear. It's trending. So what do we expect? If this demand is not being taken, then the demand inside Asian low will be used. Right? If the demand below the Asian low is not being used, the demand inside the Asian low will be used. Inside the Asian range, rather. I come again. If the demand below the Asian low is not going to be used, then the demand inside the Asian range will be used. So the Asian range has given us a trending Asian range. Okay, let me look at the, let's see the fib levels. So this is a demand zone here at the 50%. That is a rally based rally. That's a rally based rally demand zone at the 50%. That's one. Then we have a demand zone at the discount level. So let me go to 5 minutes. It will be more clear on 5 minutes. We have a demand zone at the discount level, which has already been used. Drop based rally. Let me zoom in very well. Good. Look at this drop base rally. Okay, that's demand, the swing demand, but it has been what it has been used this morning. It came inside around 3 o'clock. Okay, but a demand zone can be used more than once. The fact that it is used once doesn't mean to not be used again. So let's just mark it there in case it comes back again. So those are the two locations inside the Asian range we expect the buy. All right, and of course our 71 is here inside Asian range. Our 71 is here. So these are the two locations for demand inside Asian range. While below Asian range, we have this demand. So what do? We wait. We wait. We wait. Or you can just say, let me just see how Monday will play out. You can choose to just stay out for Monday. But if you want to trade Monday, no problem. Just wait. If you want to trade Monday, no problem. But just what? Just wait. So we're also going to mark out vertical lines Monday to Friday. That's an extra edge I usually use. I always verticalize my trading days. So I know that okay, this is this is the trading day for Monday, which ends at 9 p.m. this year. Okay. I always verticalize every trading day. So I know that okay, inside this trading range, this is my daily range. I'm expecting price. It helps my psychology. All right. So this is Tuesday. Tuesday ends here. Tuesday ends by 9 p.m. Wednesday ends by 9 p.m. also. Okay, so let me just stop at Wednesday since I'm not yet so. But this is the point I'm trying to make. So these are how you make your work easy. Okay, make your work easy and smooth and fine. So our locations for buy, it comes here to buy. It comes further into the demand inside Asian range to buy, or it comes to what to the demand and what it buys. Okay, GP USD. Is it clear? Clear, 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 clear. So I don't need to do every other pay for us. I don't need to do. You can just do your pay and just give me the results. Just send it to the group. So everybody, do your pay and send to the group. Okay. Yes. So tell me which other one. Let's do for gold. Let's do for gold. Let me do for gold while we just. Let's do for gold. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Let's do for gold. Gold is very one kind pair. I have its time. I have gold's time. I have gold's time. I have gold's time. So let's do for gold. Let's see how gold played out Monday last week. Very quickly, very quickly, very quickly. Let's see how gold played out from Monday. This buy was very crazy. Oh, this buy was very crazy. It came back into this guy. Very crazy. Gold is very one kind pair. You need to study it well. Gold can pull back to where Monday started, and even that's what he did now. Gold can pull back to the origin of Monday. So if you are still holding your trade for Monday sell, it's going to take it all back. You understand? See where gold started on Monday. By Friday, or by Thursday, it went back to ah. This is Friday. Okay, Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. Good. So what did we see? Monday, the same Monday accumulated, okay, manipulated this I because this is a liquidity. This is a liquidity. This is a manipulation. That is a manipulation over there. That's a liquidity. Because when we are selling, you don't expect a higher high. That's just the short call I can use to give you guys. When we are seeing a drop, we shouldn't see what higher high. No. So the moment you see a higher high on a downtrend, that is a manipulation, guys. I come again. When we are dropping, we can see clearly that we are dropping. High, low, lower highs, blah blah blah. But when we now see a what higher high, okay, in a downtrend, that is a liquidity, that is a what manipulation. So that happened on Tuesday. Okay, that happened on Tuesday, and you can see that we had a big drop because of this what liquidity, right? So Monday accumulation into Tuesday manipulation, distribution into Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday pull back, Friday pull back into Monday, right? So I love the way. So look at the way. See where Monday started though. This is Monday's high. You can see that Monday's high has been what has been used as liquidity now. All right. Monday's high has been used as liquidity. This is the Monday's high. Very clear. Monday's high has been used as what? As liquidity. So that means it has been back into, so all this pullback now, I would say this is a pullback. Okay, this is the lower high and the what? Lower low. So this is going to be my range. That's going to be the range which I don't expect price to take. If price breaks above that, then it means you are going to be what? You are going to be buying. All right. So this lower high, because that's the recent, our recent structure, lower high and lower low, as far as this price action is concerned. Okay, as far as gold, as far as gold current or recent market structure is concerned, that is our range, lower high and lower low. Okay, so this is what we have on gold currently. Very nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So it's good to always study price action to always know how your pair is behaving. Okay, it gives you that confidence of what will happen next. So today now on gold, what are we expecting today on gold? This is gold today. Gold Asian high and what? Gold Asian low. Gold Asian high and gold Asian low. So if I want to see a sell, what do I need to see? You know, change of trend, right? And what? Selling. As simple as that. So now where is the recent range for this guy now? This is my recent range. Higher low, higher low. So let me use my rectangle. Higher low and higher high. That's the recent range. So because I said to my students yesterday, always box price. Okay, so you can know where the price is going to go next, whether it's going to continue going up or continue coming or start coming down. Always what? Always box price. Always box price. When you see a recent structure, a recent range, just box price like that and wait. So if I want to see this guy continue buying, all I got to see is just break out, retest, and give me confirmation to continue buying. That's what I want to see. If I want to see gold start selling, I must see a break out of this higher low. That's a change of trend. Was this 15 minutes? Once I see that, we test and we drop. If I don't see that, we are still what? Bullish, because this is the recent structure. If I don't see that, we are still what? Bullish. Is that clear? So the same thing for EURUSD, for GBP for gold. We might want to see a retracement into what? This demand. So it's very clear now. Look at this, very clear. Can we see a demand zone inside Asian range? Yes. Drop base rally. This is a very clear what? Demand zone inside Asian range. That's a very clear demand zone inside Asian range. Very clear. Okay? Very clear. Then below the Asian range, we see demand zone again here. That's for our buy. Okay? For those that want to trade gold. I can find this place. So I think yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that place is fine. Um, let me send gold. So let me take questions as a wrap up. So you can just choose to chill for today and watch how today's price action will go. Or if you are trading, please trade cautiously. Mondays are usually accumulation phase for the intra week. Mondays are usually accumulation phase. So if you want to trade on Monday, I won't say don't trade on Monday, but be careful. Right? I won't say don't trade on Monday, but be careful. Okay, yeah, yeah. Please, can rewatch. Kindly rewatch. So, Mr. Albert, ask a question. Ask a question. Let me explain it first before you rewatch. What are you not clear about? If you are still here, ask a question. What is it? So we are done for the morning. So let's take questions. Let's take questions. I'm expecting us this week again for the workshop. So I'm gonna book the class today for Wednesday. So I'm expecting us this Wednesday for the workshop. Invite others. Yeah. So what's not clear? Yeah. I'm with you. I shall have what I decree. Yeah, I'm with you. So what's not clear? Let's have it. Let's have it as we wrap up. What is not clear? What is not clear? So announcement as we wrap up. What do I have as an announcement? So this week is another workshop. So every Wednesday, for those that are not aware, every Wednesday I have a physical workshop at the office on the island here, Office 360. Okay, every Wednesday I have physical workshop for 3 hours. All right. The goal is to empower traders, partners, and accommodate those that can afford the mentorship. Okay, they chose two higher highs, higher lows in our last showed. Is the most important from two birthdays. I don't get. I choose two higher highs and higher low in the last charts. Is it the most you spot it from two previous days or price actions? Trying to get a question. Okay, the highs and higher lows. Which currency pair? So I'll know. Is it USD or G or gold? Because usually gold. Okay. So you said, is it the most you spotted from two previous day or price of two? Okay, let me go to gold. Let me go to gold again. So what I did here was I was going to I'm just doing recent because when you are trading, when you want to trade, what you need is the recent price action, not what happened last 2 weeks. That might be for location, but when you want to have a trade idea, start with what happened recently. Now go back for a location. So recently, we see a break of structure, higher low, higher high. All right. So this is what we have recently. Then if you go back in time, I said that on Monday, this high is currently being liquidated. So the entire external structure is lower high and lower low, lower high, lower low. So all these are just what pull back into the premium. So recently, what we have now here is a higher low, higher high, which is signifying a bullish structure. All right. So bullish structure here, bullish structure here On 15 minutes here, we are what? Bearish externally, lower high, lower low. So if you are recent, looking at the recent price action, this is what we have recent. Okay, recent. So I don't know if maybe you ask me on my private chats if I'm answering a question. So recent price action, higher low, higher high. So and I said if you want to see a buy, price returns to your demand will buy. Then if this buy will be invalidated, they want to see a change of trend. It means that this higher low that created the higher high must be taken out. Once that happens, you have a change of trend. All right. Oh, Mr. Albert, is that clear? Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. If you have any more questions, you can just reach out to me on my DM or send to the group. Okay. So I think so. This Wednesday for the workshop, please turn out in numbers. The mentorship, reach out to me. I've given you a further discount of $100. It's supposed to be 200, but you can pay $100 and you can pay instrumentally. All right. So any more information announcements I'll be sent to the group. So we'll watch this over and over again and we are good to go. Right. So I think I have done justice this morning. Okay. Have I done justice this morning? Please let me know. Feedback. Are we good? 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 I've done justice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So let's go on to our chart. Let's study price action. Let's take notes. Let's put in the work. Put in the work. Right. I'll give us more information on the group for those going to work. Let's get to work. All right. Yo, see you tomorrow. See you on the group. See you when I see you.